Hey coding lovers, Krishna Sharma here from Credit, and today's JavaScript adventure is talking us deeper into the world of loops. We have already conquered the for loop and the interesting for in loop. Now get ready to explore the versatile for of loop, classic while loop, and the relentless do while loop. The coding journey continues, so let's dive right in. So our first loop is for of loop. The for of loop is like a tour guide through the element of an object. Such as an array, it simplifies iteration, making your code fast. Here's a quick example. So our example is a for loop. Just we take the magical array is equal to when clock spell book. This loop is for like a array. So we have just write the syntax of for of loop. We have just write to for and of. You will get the syntax. In the iterator, you have just write any new word, like I will write the key and the object name. So you can see this for of loop iterating on the full array and give the answer. This loop effortlessly takes us through each magical items in the array. Now let's move on the next loop. Our next loop is while loop. Enter the classic while loop. It keeps executing the block of as long as specified condition is true. Here's our snippet. You can take this example of while loop to understand the code. Now let we have just make the variable count and initialize the value with the 0. The while loop will continue up to this condition will true. In this example, the loop continues until the condition of continue is less than 5 or becomes false. Like continue is 0, and after printing the count, the count will increment with the 1. Is this is equal to like count plus 1. This is a simplification of we have to just write this. This is a count 1, count 2 up to 4, because after 5 it's 5 is not less than the 5. So just we have to equal to, and this loop will continue up to 5. So I hope you understand the while loop. So our next loop is do while loop. Now let's introduce the robust do while loop. It's similar to while loop, but it guarantees the code inside the block run at least once, even if the condition is false initially. Example of do while loop. So friend, just comment it out. Let number is equal to 3. So our number is equal to 3. We have to just print the number up to if this condition number is less than or 0. So in the after printing the number will decrement this. So just simplify this. Number is equal to number minus 1. So we can see this is 3 2 1, but how I said this is condition is false, like we have just write number is less than 4, so you have to print the number. So this condition is false, this code will have to no run, but this is a do while loop. At least one time this code will run irrespective to this condition. So just run it. So you can see this number is equal to 3. This is what I say. In this example, the loop execute a loop at least once the printing of number and decrementing it until it's no longer greater than 0. Bravo code heroes, you have just mastered for of loop, tamed the while loop, and conquered the relentless do while loop. Now it's your turn to wild these loops in your own coding spells. Experiment, create, and share your magical script in the comment below. If you have found this looped adventure interesting, hit the like button, subscribe for more coding magic. Let me know which JavaScript topic do you want to explore next. Until then, make your code be as magical as you are imagined. Happy coding.